to be prepared. Dapat may list ka of topics na i-discuss mo yung upuan na rinig ko. 3. Content planning. Strap. Hello everyone, it's me again, Kurt. If you're new here, Prosperna is the only software company whose focus and passion is to help real estate professionals and companies in the Philippines reach and exceed their full potential. So today we're going to talk about how to use Facebook Live for Philippine real estate marketing. Imagine receiving 403% more increase dahil lang nag-setup kayo ng video content. So that's the power of new media. And that's where Facebook Live comes into the picture perfectly. The Philippines is the Facebook capital of the world since live content has becoming more and more popular. So how can we take advantage of Facebook Live's real-time features in real estate? Here are 5 steps to use Facebook Live for real estate marketing in the Philippines. But wait! If you're not sure how to start a Facebook Live, here's a quick tutorial. 1. Tap on the camera icon. 2. Give Facebook access to your camera and microphone. 3. Switch to live on your camera options. 4. Choose your privacy and posting settings. This is where you can segment viewers. 5. Write a description for your viewers. 6. Tag friends, choose your location, or add an activity for added details. 7. Set your camera's orientation to portrait or landscape. 8. Click the Start Live Video button to start broadcasting. 9. Click Finish to end the broadcast. Wasn't that easy? Now back to the video. Step 1. Define and segment. Get to know your audience, their likes, their dislikes, and their other interests. When streaming, your content should be relevant to a specific audience. Hindi basta-basta ka nalang magla-live nang walang direksyon. Step 2. Determine campaign objectives. The primary purpose of marketing is lead generation. So as always, make sure your call to action or CTAs are clear. So ano ba ang goals mo? Lead generation, generate revenue, or brand promotion. Pag na-determine mo na kung ano yung goal mo, then your content could adjust accordingly. Step 3. Content planning. One of the hardest part, content. Oo, live stream siya, but you still have to be prepared. You should have a list of everything that you're gonna discuss para hindi ka mawala. Here's some topics you can choose from. Real estate news, new developments, new listings, open house, events, and promotions. Step 4. Production setup. Smartphone lang, okay na. But there's nothing wrong with putting a little effort in it. Just make sure your video and audio are clear, lalong-lalo na ang internet connection. Dapat stable para walang lag. Step 5. Promote your upcoming broadcast. Build a hype around your Facebook Live, create a Facebook event, invite people to participate, schedule your post 1 week before para people can look forward to it. Don't forget, there's no other company in the Philippines that focuses on the digital enablement for the real estate industry except for Prosperna. To learn more on how to become successful in real estate, book a free demo with us at www.prosperna.com. As always, click the subscribe button below and hit the bell button to get instant notifications. And like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Bye for now!